Good morning, my dear students. This is your mathematics teacher, Mohammad Ashraful Islam. Welcome you today's mathematics class. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a class for the students of class 7 and it's mathematics revision class. And today we will learn creative question and MCQ question from chapter 7, simple equations. In the previous class, you learned the creative question 1 and 2 and 10 MCQ from chapter 2. And I hope that all of you have learned it well. So if I ask you questions, okay, then I think you will able to answer me. So if cost price is more, selling price is less, then what will be? Profit or loss? Cost price suppose 100 taka, selling price 90 taka, then it will be, what will be? Loss or profit? Cost price more, then it will be loss. Okay, so if cost price is more, selling price is less, then it will be loss. And at the same time, if selling price is more, cost price is less, suppose you have bought an object in taka 100 and you sold it taka 110, that means selling price is more. In that time, it will be profit. So I hope that all of you have learned profit and loss properly. Okay. Today I want to start today's class and we will solve I told you another two creative questions, creative question 3 and 4 and another 10 MCQ. It will be 11 to 20 and let's start today's class. It's class 7 subject math chapter 7 video recording class number 50 and I have written a question on the board. It's extra creative question 3 number. Okay, my dear students, at first read the question 3. So this is the stem 3x plus 7 divided by 4 plus 5x minus 4 divided by 7 equals to x plus 3 whole 1 by 2 is an equation. Now, so this is the stem. A number question, what is the root of the equation x by 2 plus 1 equals to 3? So in this equation, what will be the root? So this is the A number question. B number question, solve the given equation not this one, the stem. We have to the given equation have to solve for B number, and in C number verify the correctness of the solution. That means the equation in the stem, after solving in B number we have got value of the variable. So for this variable we have to find the value of the left hand side and right hand side. If the left hand side and right hand side's value are equal, then we can tell that the equation is verified. Let's start solution. Okay, at first A number. Solution A. So this is the equation x by 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So this is the equation. We have to solve the equation and we have to find the root of the equation. The root of the equation, that means the value of the variable. Here variable is x, so the value that we will get for x, it will be the root of the equation. Okay, solve this one. So its equation, we will find the value of x. So at first we will change the side of 1, here 1 plus, when it will change its side then it will be minus 1. Always it will be opposite sign. So x by 2 equals to 3 plus 1 will be minus 1. So what we will get? X by 2 equals to 2. Now consider, now here is 2 and x by 2 equals to 2. We need the value of positive x. So if we want to change its side, then we can do the cross multiplication. Think that here is denominator is 1. So by cross multiplication x and 1, what do we get? So we can write here the side note by transposing. One thing, transposing. By transposing, and now we will do the cross multiply. X and 1 it will be x, and 2 multiply 2 it will be multiply. Therefore x equals to 4. So therefore solution comma x equals to 4, and it's the answer. So root of the equation is 4. I want to review it again. This is the given equation. We have to find the root of the equation. So I told you that root of the equation, that means the value of the variable. Okay, so here is variable is x, so the value that we will get for x, it will be the root of the equation. So at first change its side. So this is the law of equation, it's by transposing. Okay, transposition law. Okay, so we have got plus 1, it will be minus 1. So 3 minus 1, it will be 2. and if we think it as fraction, then denominator will get 1. Now cross multiply x and 1 will be x, 2 and 2 will be multiplied, then we will get 4. So solution x equals to 4. This is the answer. I think all of you have got it. Now we will start the next one, B number, and I will erase this one. Okay, now the next one, B number. B number is solve the given equation. That means the stem that equation is given, you have to solve the equation. Okay, so write this one, B number solution. B number solution, write the question step first. 3x plus 7 divided by 4 plus 5x minus 4 divided by 7 equals to x plus 3 whole 1 by 2. So this is the equation, we have to solve this one. Okay, so for solving this one, we will take x in one side and constant term in another side. So we can change its side. X is in right side, we will take it in left side. So here is plus, it will be minus. Okay, so how do you get? Or 3x plus 7 divided by 4 plus 5x minus 4 divided by 7, this x will change its side, then it will be plus x, it will be minus x, 3 whole 1 by 2. Okay, now do the LCM of the denominators of the fraction. So here is 4, here is 7, here is nothing, that means 1. So what will be the LCM of 4 and 7? It will be 28. It will be 28. So we will do here LCM of the denominators. So now divide 28 by 4, then how do you get? 7. 7 will be multiplied with the numerator 3x plus 7. Then plus, here is plus sign, so you will get here plus sign. Then divide 28 by 7, we will get 4. Then we will get 5x minus 4. Then here is minus sign, so do the minus sign. And denominator is 1. So divide 28 by 1. Then how do you get? We will get 28. So it will be 28 and x. We will get here 28x equals to 3 whole 1 by 2. That means 2 and 3 will be multiplied, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. So we have got 7 by 2. Now we will multiply this this part, we will insert this part, then how do you get? 7 and 3x, by multiplying we have got 21x plus 7 will be 49, then plus 4 and 5 plus 5x, then you will get here plus 20x plus minus 16 minus 16 minus 28x minus 28x divided by 28 equals to 7 by 2. Okay, now calculate this part, x related term. So what we have done here, we have by distributive law, we have got this one by distributive law. You can give a side note, we can give here side note by transposing, then we can give here side note by distributive law. Okay, by distributive law. So this is the thing. Now we'll add 21x plus 20x, it will be 41x plus 41x minus 28x. So what will we get here? We'll get here 13x. So 21x plus 20, 41. So from 41, if we subtract 28, then we'll get 12 and 1, 13x, it's plus, and plus 49 minus 16, it will be plus 33. Divide by 28 equals to 7 by 2. Okay, so this is the thing. Now we want to eliminate 28. So how can we eliminate 28? We can eliminate 28 by multiplying both sides by 28. So 28 multiply both sides, it seems that it will be don't think it's pro x, it will be multiply. Okay, multiply, here we will get 13x plus 33 divided by 28 equals to 28 multiply 7 by 2. So what you have done here? Multiplying 28 by both sides, multiplying 28, multiplying both sides by 28, multiplying both sides by 28, multiplying both sides by 28. Then look at here, what will be 28 will eliminate, then 2 and 28, it will be 14. It will be 14. Okay, then what will we get? Now look at here, what will remain here? 13x plus 33, 13x plus 33, 13x plus 33, we'll get it in left hand side, and right side we'll get 14 and 7. So by multiplying 14 and 7, what will we get? We will get here 98. We will get here 98 equals to 98. So by calculating, we have got this part, 13x plus 33, 13x plus 33 equals to 14 and 7, we will get here 98. Now calculate it, or 13x equals to 98 plus 33, will change its side, then it will be minus 33, or 13x equals to 65, or x equals to 65 divided by 13, divide this one, we will get here x equals to 5. Therefore solution comma x equals to 5, this is the solution, this is the solve the given equation, that means solution of the given equation and value of the result. Okay, value of the variable is x equals to 5. Now see this one again. This is the given stem, this is the equation, you have to solve this one, that means we have to find the value of the variable. So write the stem, write the question first, then simplify it. Here in second line we have done, we have changed the side of x. So in right side it's plus x, then when it comes on left side it will be opposite side, it will be minus x. Then do the LCM of the denominator. So we have got the LCM 28, and then we have got calculating, we have got this line, then so then we have insert the bracket, and in the time we have followed the distributive law. Distributive law, we have got this one, then we have calculating the similar terms. Okay, and after calculating we have got 13x plus 33 divided by 28 equals to 7 by 2. Then we want to eliminate 28 on 28. So if we want to eliminate 28, we have to multiplying by 28 by both sides. So 28 have multiplying both sides by 28. So we have got it. After calculating we have got 13x plus 33 equals to 98. Okay, then 33 change its side. Okay, then it will get minus 33, and after calculating 98 minus 33, we have got 65, then 13 change its side, it will be divided because of its multiplying here. Okay, so 65 divided by 13 equals to 5, then this is the result. I think all of you have understood this part. Now we will start the next one, C number. Now another one, it's question number C, and in C number we will do verify the correctness of the solution. Verify the correctness of the solution, that means in B number we have got the solution of the equation x equals to 5. Now for the result we will check the left hand side and right hand side. Okay, so start writing. So C number solution, C number solution, verification of correctness. Verification of correctness. Verification of correctness. So we'll write here putting the value of x equals to 5 in the given equation. In the given equation, then left hand side, write the left hand side. So what is the left hand side? 3x plus 7 divided by 4 plus 5x minus 4 divided by 7. So this is the left hand side. We will find the value of left hand side first. So and instead of x we will put 5. So calculate it. How do you get? 3 multiply 5 plus 7 divided by 4 plus 5 multiplied by 5, x equals to 5, minus 4 divided by 7. Calculate it. 3 and 5, 15. 15 plus 7 divided by 4 plus 25 minus 4 divided by 7. So what will you get here? 22 by 4. 22 by 4 plus 21 by 7. 21 by 7. So now how can we simplify this one? We have to do the LCM. So how will be the LCM of 4 and 7? We have got LCM 4 and 7 will get here 28. So divide 28 by 4, then how do we get? We'll get 7. 7 and 22, how do we get? 22 multiplied 7 will get here 154. 7 by dividing 28 by 4, we have got 7. 7 and 22 will get here 154 plus again divide 28 by the denominator 7, then how do you get? 4. 4 and 21, it will be 4 and 8, 84. Okay, so calculate it here, equals to 154 plus 84, how do we get? We'll get here 238. 238 divided by 28. Calculate it. So at first divide both 2 by 2, then how do you get? We'll get here 119 and we'll get here 14. Then 119 and 14 both 2 will be divisible by 7. Then how do you get here? We'll get here 17. We'll get here 2. Then how do you get? 17 by 2. 17 by 2. So this is the value of the left hand side. Now we will find the value of the right hand side. We have got left hand side, then we will do the right hand side. Again, right hand side equals to x plus 3 whole 1 by 2. X plus 3 whole 1 by 2. Then put the value. Instead of x, we will put 5 plus 7 by 2. Do the LCM. LCM had 2. Then by dividing the denominator, had denominator is 1. Okay, so 1 divide 2 by 1 will get 2. 2 and 5, it will be 2 multiply 5 plus 7. Then we will get 10 plus 7 divided by 2 equals to 17 by 2. 10 plus 7, 17 by 2. So look at here, value of the left hand side is 17 by 2, value of the right hand side is 17 by 2. So can you tell? Therefore left hand side equals to right hand side. Left hand side equals to right hand side. So we can tell that the solution of the equation is correct. Therefore the solution of the equation is correct and it's verified. So this is the answer. Hope that all of you have understood this part. Again I repeat, in C number you have to verify the correctness of the solution. That means the solution that we have got, for this one, the left hand side of the equation and right hand side is equal or not, we have to find. So if it is equal, then we can tell it's verified. So we have checked left hand side, we have got 17 by 2. We have checked right hand side and we have got the value 17 by 2. So 17 by 2 left hand side, right hand side, both two are equal. So we can tell that the solution of the equation is correct and it's verified. I think all of you have got it. Now we'll do the next one, another creative question, question number 4. Okay, now next one, it's creative question, extra creative question number 4. So the stem is the length of a rectangular land is thrice its breadth. The perimeter of the land is 40 meters. So this is the stem. So what is it? So if we analyze the given information, we get rectangular land. So we know rectangle that means opposite sides are equal. And here breadth, length will be thrice its breadth. So breadth is x, then length will be thrice x. Okay, and the perimeter of the land is 40 meters. So we know the perimeter for rectangular land or rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So by this one we can find the perimeter, and perimeter will be 40 meters. Let's see the question. A number, if the breadth is x, express the equation. That means from the stem we have to find one equation. Okay, so how can we find the equation? Breadth is x, so breadth is x, then length will be 3x, as it is given thrice, that means 3 times, then 3x. So breadth x, length 3x, and perimeter is given 40 meter. So can you tell 2 into length plus breadth equals to 40? Then what will be the answer of A equation? I just want to give you the answer. I will not solve it. Okay, so it will be, the answer will be 2 into length plus breadth, and length will get here 3x and breadth is x, as breadth given x. 2 into length plus breadth equals to 40. So this one will be the answer for A. You have to solve it in your copy. Then find the length and breadth of the land. We have to find the length and breadth of the land. So this is the length, this is the breadth, this is the length. If we able to simplify this equation and we'll find the value of x, then that will be the breadth. And if we multiply the for length, 3 and x, value of x, will get the length. So in this way we will get the length and breadth, and it will be, result will be, length will be 15 meter and breadth will be 5 meter. So value of x will get here 5, and 3 and 5 will be 15, and the unit will be meter. So this one will be the length and breadth. This is the answer for B. And in C number, there is given the rate. In the square rectangular land, if we want to, there is grass, okay, if we want to cutting the grass, and the costing will be taka 5 per square meter, taka 5 per square meter, then how many taka will be needed to cut total grass of the land? So at first we will find the area. So 15 and length and breadth, by multiplying length and breadth, we will get the area of the land. Okay, so area of the land. So from this area, and we can find the, for 1 square meter it will be 5 for 1, and for this area we will multiplying this one, we will get the result, and the result will be taka 375. Taka 375. I have given you the result, you have to solve it by your own. Okay, this one will be your homework. I will in the last time when I will give you diary, I will give you this one as homework to you. Okay, now I want to erase this one. I told you earlier we will do the MCQ, and we will start MCQ from next. Okay, now we will do the MCQ part, and extra MCQ 11 to 20. So 11 number, what is the highest power in a simple equation? So what is simple equation? Let's see a simple equation. X plus 1 equals to 5. So it is a simple equation. So the question is highest power in a simple equation. So what is the power of the variable? Here there is nothing, that means there is nothing, that means there is 1. So highest power in a simple equation will be 1. Answer will be 1. Have you got it? So how can we find this one? In a simple equation we will find the variable of the find the power of the variable. So what is the power of the variable here? There is nothing, that means there is nothing, that means there is 1. So the answer will be 1. I think it is clear to you. Now next one. In a simple equation, how many roots have? So there is power 1. So the root of the variable, that means the value of the variable will be 1. How many? The power, if there is 2, then we will get the value of the variable x 2. Okay, so as the power is 1, so we will get only 1 root. So answer will be option number B. Again, read the question. In a simple equation, how many roots have? In a simple equation, how many roots have? So roots have, there will be, answer will be 1. Why it will be 1? Will get the number of roots according to their power. So as there is 1, so answer will be 1. If the variable's power will be 2, then we will get 2 roots. Okay, how many roots? 2 roots. So for simple equation it will be 1. Now the next one, question number 13. In the equation, unknown expression is called what? In the equation, that means in the simple equation, what will be called the unknown expression? So option is root, variable, left hand side solution. It will be unknown expression, that means this one x will be called unknown expression, and its variable, it is variable. So answer will be variable. All of you have understood this one. Now the next one, it's 40 number. What is the unknown quantity in the equation x plus 5 equals to 7? So in the equation, which one is unknown quantity? Option is x, 5, 7 and equal. So what will be? Equal is equality sign, not variable or unknown quantity. 7 is constant, 5 is constant and x is unknown quantity. That means x variable, x will be called unknown quantity. So answer will be this one, A. And the last one, it's a knowledge based question. How many laws are there to solve equation? So how many laws we will get for the for solving an equation? So 2, 3, 4, 6. What will be? Who can tell? Yeah, I think you know this one. So it will be 4 laws. In your book you will get it. Then there are 4 laws for solving equation. So answer will be C number. Hope that all of you have got it. Now we'll do the next one, another 5. I'll write and solve. Now see the board, it's question number 16. After 15 it will be 16. The question is, which of the following mathematician gave the idea of coordinates first? So who has given the idea about the coordinates first? So the options is Pythagoras, René Descartes, Archimedes, John Napier. So these are the mathematicians among them who has given the idea first about coordinates. So the answer will be, you get in your book in the information, it will be René Descartes. It will be René Descartes. Then 70 number question, René Descartes is a mathematician of which country? So from where René Descartes has come? Option India, France, China, Bangladesh. Which one will be the option correct answer? So René Descartes is a mathematician of which country? It will be France, because of we have learned from the book, the famous mathematician René Descartes comes from France. So the information will be France and the correct answer will be France, B number option. So René Descartes is a mathematician who has come from France. Alright. Now do the next one, 80 number. What is called 0, 0 in the graph? So look at here. Suppose this is a graph paper. So here we will get x axis and y axis. X prime or you can tell x dash, and another perpendicular line we will draw. It will be y prime, and here we will get intersecting point, it's O. And in intersecting point O, here we will get intersecting point will be x will be 0, y will be 0. X will be 0, y will be 0. So question is that what is called 0, 0 in the graph? So what is the name of this point? This point's name is what? It will be 0 point, origin, x axis, y axis. It will be, so intersecting point will be x o x prime and y o y prime. So x o x prime called x axis, y o y prime is called y axis, and o is called origin. O is called origin. So option, correct option will be, answer will be B number. So 0, I repeat, 80 number, what is called 0, 0 in the graph? It will be origin, and origin is the correct answer. Now come to the next one, 90 number. What is the ordinate of the point -1, -2? Ordinate. So we know that in a point, suppose the one point 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a point, it's 3, 4. So look at here 3 is the value of x, 3 is the value of x, and 4 is the value of y. Okay, 4 is the value of y. So it will be called ordinate, and value of x will be called abscissa. It will be called abscissa. What is the spelling? Abscissa. And it will be ordinate. So we'll get here ordinate. What is the ordinate? Of the point? The value of y will be the ordinate. So what is the value of y? Value of y is -2. So answer will be D number. Okay, answer will be D number. Ordinate will be D number. Okay, then last one, the point -3 is located in which quadrant? Look at here. So when we have got two mutually perpendicular lines, we have got four parts. This one will be first, this one will be second, this one will be third, this one is fourth. So in first quadrant and fourth quadrant, both the value of x will be plus, and in the left side it will be minus, and in upper side value of y is plus, here plus, and lower side it will be minus. It will be minus. Look at here, -3. So if we eliminate the number, we get the sign here is minus, here is minus. So minus in which quadrant will get? In third quadrant. So the point will get in third quadrant. I think all of you have understood this one. And this is the things, 2 creative questions and 10 MCQ. Now my dear students, you have to take your diary. Okay. Okay everyone, I think ready for writing your homework in your diary. So homework number 50, chapter 7, we have got 2 creative question, and extra creative question 4, you have to write this one in your homework copy. I think all of you have understood today's class. Thank you so very much. Allah Hafiz.